Ever dived head first into investing, then needed that money back for something unexpected? Maybe a dream vacation snuck up on you, or that car repairs turned out pricier than anticipated. Fear not, fellow investor friends. Because today, we're tackling a question that might be on your mind. Can you transfer money from Wealthsimple back to your everyday bank account? Context and explanation, 010 to 210. Wealthsimple is a fantastic platform for growing your wealth, but sometimes, you gotta bring that money back down to earth. Let's be honest, it's not exactly a casino where your money's locked away. You have control, and that includes getting your hands on your cash again. Now, there are a few things to consider depending on the type of Wealthsimple account you have. They offer different account types, like tax-free savings accounts, TFSAs, and registered retirement savings plans, RIPs, which have some specific rules around withdrawals. But fear not, we'll break it down for regular investment accounts as well. How to withdraw from a regular investment account, 210 to 340. Alright, for those of you with a standard investment account, transferring money back to your bank account is a breeze. Here's how it works. Log into your Wealthsimple app. Look for a tab or button labeled Move or Transfer. Once you're there, you'll see options for both deposits and withdrawals. We want withdraw, of course. The platform will ask you which account you want to withdraw from. Easy peasy, choose the account holding the funds you need. Next, it's time to pick your destination. This is where you'll select the bank account you want the money deposited into. Make sure it's a linked account, you can't just send money anywhere. Finally, the moment of truth, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Double-check everything looks good, then hit submit and voila. The withdrawal process is initiated. Withdrawal processing time, 340 to 420. Now, you might be wondering, how long does it take to get my money back? Wealthsimple itself typically takes around 1 to 2 business days to process the withdrawal request. On top of that, you'll need to factor in transfer time between institutions. This can vary depending on your bank, but generally, it's an additional 1 to 3 business days. So, all in all, plan for somewhere between 2 to 5 business days to see that cash back in your bank account. Special considerations for TFSA and RRSP accounts, 420 to 520. Remember, TFSA and RRSP accounts have some special rules when it comes to withdrawals. These accounts are designed for long-term investing, so the government wants to incentivize you to keep your money there. There may be contribution limits and withdrawal restrictions depending on the account type. For TFSAs, withdrawing funds generally doesn't affect your contribution room. The cool thing is, the contribution room you use to invest that money comes back up for grabs in the following year. So, it's like a little pause button on your TFSA contributions. RRSPs are a different story. Withdrawing funds from an RRSP before retirement is considered taxable income. There are some exceptions, like the Home Buyers Plan, HBP, or the Lifelong Learning Plan, LLP, but generally, be prepared to pay taxes on any RRSP withdrawals before retirement. Fees to consider, 520 to 540. One last thing to keep an eye on: the fees. Luckily, Wealthsimple itself doesn't charge any fees to transfer money out to your bank account. However, your bank might have some fees associated with receiving electronic funds transfers, EFTs. It's always a good idea to check your bank's fee schedule before initiating a withdrawal. Outro, 5:40 to 6 o'clock. So, there you have it. Transferring money from Wealthsimple to your bank account is a straightforward process, though there might be slight variations depending on your account type. Remember, for TFSA and RRSP accounts, there are some specific rules to consider regarding contributions and taxes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.